So we had the Senate Security Exchange meeting. Everything seems to have gone well, as they pretty much said we are hot on Bitcoin and blockchain, not so much on ICOs, but we're going to see about that. In the meantime, also we have Singapore confirming that it will not ban cryptocurrency, has no risk concerns, and Coinbase has said they're going to launch pretty soon the Bitcoin Segwit, which everyone has been waiting for, apparently. Well, we are waiting for it, the ones that are using Coinbase. Myself personally, I don't, but let's be honest, with more exchanges adding at fiat options, I bet Coinbase are gonna rush in to introduce Segwit and possibly other altcoins. Otherwise they may be left behind, just like Nokia when iPhone was introduced. So there you have it, guys. Singapore confirms it will not ban cryptocurrency, has no risk concerns. Singapore's Deputy Prime Minister Tam, and I'm not going to say the rest of the name, provided new commentary on the government's commitment not to ban cryptocurrency as part of the future regulation plans in a series of 14 statements published Monday, February 5th, in response to questions posed by members of parliament Tuesday. Tharman, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister in charge of regulatory body, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, confirmed a broadly hands-off policy regarding cryptocurrency going forward. MAS has been closely studying these developments and the potential risk they pose. As of now, there is no strong case to ban cryptocurrency trading here, the Deputy PM said, but we will be subjecting those involved as intermediaries to our anti-money laundering regulation, and we will keep highlighting to Singaporeans that they could lose their shirts when they invest money into cryptocurrency. I believe we can pretty much do the same with any other investments if it doesn't go right. Like Japan, Singapore has highlighted itself as a permissive environment for both cryptocurrency and blockchain innovation over the past few years. In stark contrast to China and Indonesia, the city-state has favored blockchain in particular as part of its birth to become a global hub for the technology. Addressing the disparity between Singapore and its neighbors, noted that volumes involved were comparatively small and exposure to the financial system correspondingly insignificant. For now, the nature and scale of cryptocurrency trading in Singapore does not pose risk to the safety and integrity of our financial system, he continued. Further connections between cryptocurrency trading in Singapore's financial system are also not significant at present. Singapore's banking system does not have any significant exposure to global and local entities dealing in cryptocurrencies. We hence do not have broader systemic risk concerns with regard to cryptocurrencies. Last month, MAS Managing Director Ravi Menon sounded similarly bullish on crypto's future when he went on to record to mainstream media to say he hopes assets and their underlying technology would survive a major crash. And there you have it, guys. Things seems to be going positively right at the moment when it comes to cryptocurrency, or I guess maybe the whales and the people that just needed to crush cryptocurrency for a while and buy at the dip, they did what they had to do, and all of a sudden all the governments coming out in favor of blockchain cryptocurrencies, and I wouldn't be surprised if we do see China follow suit, because governments tend to stick to each other, and if one is giving thumbs up for one thing, the rest seems to follow. Although China likes to spread for a little bit longer, and they do like to ban things a little bit longer than other countries. I mean, I believe Facebook and some other platforms are still banned in China, but if you look in their portfolio in terms of the value in the stock market, they're doing quite well. So normally if China bans something, it means buy, invest. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not telling you that that's what you should do, but I don't think we should be too much concerned in regards to China at this particular moment. And looking at the market, it's looking quite good, considering the fact that it was down to less than $6,000 in less than 24 hours. And now we are getting very close to $8,000. It's a good increase in my personal books. So there you have it. Things are looking bright. It may take a while, but at the end of the day, cryptocurrency, it's not going anywhere. And governments are recognizing they shouldn't actually fight it, but rather adopt to it and try to be a bit more positive towards it. It is here to stay, it is the future, and you either get on board with it or you get left behind it. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this short video. As I said, also Coinbase are planning to obviously roll out Segwit upgrade in a few weeks. I'm going to put a link down below in the description so you can read the article for yourself, but that was expected. I don't think Segwit would stand a chance to compete with the rest of the market and the rest of the exchanges out there if they think that the monopoly can continue. It's no longer what they had, the power, it's no longer there. And as other exchanges are obviously becoming more and more popular, adding up fiat, Coinbase is gonna have to do some drastic changes, listen to their customers, start adding altcoins, as well as integrating Segwit, so we can once again enjoy Bitcoin maybe on Coinbase. Although I've never used Coinbase myself, to be honest with you, so it's for the people that do use it. But I did hear some people have already walked away with it, not very happy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the channel, feel free to subscribe and share. Come follow me on Twitter, and I've made a video, 2 videos by the way, in regards to the Security Exchange Commission, so feel free to check them out as well, and see you in the next one. Bye.